A very good morning to all. Today we are going to discuss a new topic, rural banks and development banks. Rural banks are specialized banks operating for the rural people, and development banks are specialized banks working for the development of the country by providing finance to industries. First, we'll look at NABARD. NABARD is a rural bank. It's an apex institution. The full form is National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development. NABARD is an apex institution. What do you mean by apex? Apex is the head institution controlling all other institutions operating in agriculture and rural development. It is the head of all other institutions or banks operating in the rural development. It is owned by Government of India. NABARD started functioning in 1982, 12th July 1982. Its head office is located at Mumbai, and there are 28 regional offices of NABARD in the capital of each state. The initial capital of NABARD was rupees 100 crores, and now it increases to rupees 5,000 crores. The share capital of NABARD is contributed by the central government and Reserve Bank of India. Then what is the structure of NABARD? The functioning of NABARD is controlled by Board of Directors. They are managing the activities of NABARD. And there are 10 members in the Board of Directors of NABARD. There is chairman at the top. There is a managing director. 3 experts in rural development. And 3 directors from the Board of Directors of Reserve Bank of India. 3 directors from the Board of Directors of Reserve Bank of India. And 2 central government officials. Altogether there are 10 members in the Board of Directors. Board of Directors is the top body of NABARD controlling all its activities. And functions of NABARD: refinance to cooperative banks, RRBs and commercial banks for their lending in rural and agricultural purposes. RRB, regional rural banks. NABARD is not directly giving money to the people or the public, but it refinances to all those institutions which are lending for rural and agricultural purposes. Refinancing means NABARD provide money to these institutions which lends money to rural and agricultural purposes. Undertakes inspection of cooperative banks and RRBs. NABARD is entrusted with inspecting the working of cooperative banks and regional rural banks. Advises the government on rural development. NABARD provide advices to the government on rural development. There are experts in NABARD in rural development, so they provide valuable piece of information to the government. Makes loans and advances to state governments. NABARD provide direct loans to state governments and subscribes the shares of cooperative credit societies. Cooperative credit societies are institutions working in rural areas for helping rural farmers and rural poor. So the NABARD helps those institutions by subscribing their shares. NABARD purchases the shares of those institutions and provide them their working capital. Scrutinizing the applications for opening new branches by RRBs or cooperative societies. NABARD is entrusted with checking or scrutinizing the applications of RRBs and cooperative societies for opening new branches. If RRB wants to open a new branch, the application for opening of the new branch is first checked by NABARD, scrutinized by NABARD. Undertakes research programs on agriculture and rural development. NABARD has a separate wing for research and development of agriculture and rural development. So NABARD undertakes research activities on agriculture and rural development. It acts as a linking agent. Linking agent means connecting agent between government and other agencies for rural development. NABARD acts as a middleman or linking agent between government and other agencies for rural development. Provide training to the staff of state cooperative banks, RRBs, etc. NABARD provide training programs to the employees, staff of cooperative banks, RRBs, etc. for increasing their efficiency. And finally, formulate projects and make timely monitoring. NABARD formulate projects for rural development. NABARD, with the help of its experts, make projects for the rural development, and after the implementation of the project, it makes timely monitoring whether the projects are going correctly. That is timely monitoring of the projects also. So these are the major functions of NABARD, and as NABARD is an apex institution, it controls all the banks and other institutions operating in agriculture and rural development. So these are all about NABARD and its functioning. So go through this video carefully and come up with your doubts in the live class today at 7:30 p.m. Have a good day.